We've got something super exciting today. It's the 2024 Apple MacBook Air M3 chip 15-inch screen. Let's go! Alright, first thing first, let's get the plastic off. Apple always nails packaging. It's so minimalistic, yet it screams premium. So what's in the box? Your 15 inches MacBook Air with M3 chip, midnight color. Although it comes in 4 different colors, you have the space gray, the silver, starlight, and midnight. And I think the midnight looks very cool. Despite the fact that the skin is coated, I can still see some of my fingerprints on the surface, but I don't think it's much of a big deal, to be honest. USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable. Then you have designed by Apple California written on the manual. Pretty nice. You also have some stickers here. 35 watts dual USB-C power adapter. There's an option of a 70 watts power adapter for fast charging, but I think you might have to pay an additional £20 to have that. This is very pretty. This option comes with 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 8GB of unified memory, and 256GB SSD storage. With additional £200, you could get a 16GB unified memory, or if you could spend additional £400, then you get 25GB unified memory. With additional £800, you get a 2TB SSD storage. Irrespective of RAM or storage you go for, you get 1080p FaceTime HD camera, MagSafe 3 charging ports, 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, and it supports up to 2 external display with your laptop lid closed. But unfortunately, in order to use 2 external display, your laptop lid has to be closed. So let's open this up. I love the feeling of the first open. The hello greeting message lighting up as it powers on is pretty amazing. The keyboard feels very great. The same Magic Keyboard that we've come to love, and of course the trackpad is huge and very responsive. I quite like this Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. I've not tested the battery life, but on Apple's website this laptop can stay up to 18 hours, but I definitely know that it all depends on the kind of task that you're running on it. The base model for M3 MacBook Air, 8GB RAM, 256 SSD storage capacity, 15 inches of screen, starts at £1,300. So, what makes the M3 better than the M2? You have 8-core CPU, Wi-Fi 6E, up to 10-core GPU, up to 24GB of memory, and up to 2TB of storage. And that concludes our unboxing and the initial look at the 15-inch 2024 MacBook Air M3. It's lightweight, thin, and appears to be a powerful device housed in an incredible portable form. Please leave your questions or suggestions in the comment section below. If you would like me to try out anything, remember to hit the notification bell, like and subscribe to ensure you don't miss out on our future videos. I appreciate your viewing, and I'll see you in the future.